Hey guys, it is day 9 of my insanity journey. Today was pure cardio, and I have to say I really like that one because it's a bit shorter. The only issue though is that you are doing a series of 1 minute exercise without any break. Like he doesn't break it into chunks like 5 exercises and then you take a break and then 5 exercises. No, it's just 1 minute drills for the, you do a warm up, you do a stretch, and then 1 minute drills for the duration of the workout. And I love it. And so I was really looking forward to it because I really wanted to dig deep and I wanted to jump and I just wanted to give it my all. And I found that today, cardiovascularly, I'm fine. But my legs did not want to move. I barely got off the ground on any of these things today. They just felt heavy. They were tired. So I was a little bit disappointed in my execution of pure cardio today. It's like I almost want to do it again, but I know that that's ridiculous. So I was thinking about something to share with you today other than that, and it was about excuses. I hear all of them. And for those of you who follow Fit with Joe, or I'm friends with you on Facebook, I can see yearly patterns because of Facebook. Yearly patterns that you might write down, like in December, oh, I'm eating so much. In January, oh, it's time to get fit. In April, I'm just so busy. I mean, it's just like this, like I like to call it cul-de-sac living. It just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. The biggest excuse that I hear people say is, I don't have time. And the only answer or the only solution I can give you to I don't have time is turn off your TV. I'm sure you have 30 minutes to do something. Excuse, I have kids underfoot. Turn on the TV. Let them watch a little bit. It's not going to kill them so that you can get 30 minutes in. I can't work out alone at home. Okay, you can't if you say you can't. And I was definitely one of those people 2 years ago who said there's no way I can work out alone at home. You are able to transform your thinking and your mind. You're able to change habits. So all of these excuses, whatever yours may be, honestly, if you dig a little bit deeper underneath that excuse, there's a lack of willingness to just want to do. That's truly what it is. Time, kids underfoot, I don't want to work out alone, or I can't work out alone. All of those are getting started problems. The problem is not, the thing is not the thing. That is what my pastor preached on yesterday. The thing is not the thing. The time is not the thing. The children are not the thing. The I can't work out alone is not the thing. You got to dig a little bit deeper, as Shaun T would say. The thing is your desire to even want to do it. Is this important to you? Do you find that physical exercise and being healthy is even a priority? Some say it's too expensive. Yeah, Beachbody programs are not cheap. They're not $9.99. You're also not getting one workout in a package. With some workouts, like with Shalina Kim, you get 14. So, I think our workouts are a great deal. And honestly, for me, they're cheaper than going to a gym every month. So if expense is a problem, I guess I would turn that and say, are you on medications? If you're in your 20s and 30s and exercise and healthy eating is not a part of your life now, what does that mean for your 50s and 60s, and will that be expensive? So I can see all your excuses. I can hear all your excuses, but I'm here to tell you the thing is not the thing. And truly what you need to examine is whether or not you desire to lead a healthier life. That's where I come in, and that's where I'd love to help you. And that's where, honestly, due to the journey that I have experienced for 2 years, I do think I have some tools that I can help you get on the right track. Okay, that's all for today. Take care.